Hi there, Tamika Hayden from the Research Impact Academy. I cannot believe that it has been 10 years. I was thinking about our celebration of 10 years as a business and as an organisation. And in doing that, I've been reflecting a lot on where it came from, the idea, and how that idea has really grown into something that supports thousands of people now. I thought I'd start by telling you a little bit about how it all began. I came from a background as an academic, so I was working in research, and during that time, I had really become a researcher because I wanted to make a difference to people and to do something quite profound, I guess. So I kind of made it my mandate to say, okay, how can I help as many people as possible to do this? But how can I also help drive an agenda more broadly around doing research with meaning? And that's where I've sort of come from. So 10 years ago, I jumped ship from my cozy job and did what Richard Branson would say, and that is you're building the parachute on the way down. You know, you've jumped off the cliff, building the parachute, still building the parachute, I feel like. And I think that's part of being an entrepreneur. So I decided to take this leap and start Knowledge Translation Australia. Some key things for me really is about being part of the Senate inquiry into developing up the MRFF and being named in the Parliament, my claim to fame, if you like, for impact. Winning some awards from Canada around innovation, around knowledge translation. That's been an absolute pleasure. I think, there's other really key milestones. Creating the summit out of nowhere and hoping that it would work. And it's worked. And it's a great tool, it's a great learning. And I'm really proud of having done that summit now for 9 years and 10 years next year. Meeting some incredible people that have been really supportive and become part of my advisory committee across the years, and who still to this day pick up the phone when I call and answer those questions when I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to pull the parachute ripcord in time before crashing to the ground, if you like, to go back to that analogy. I rebranded as the Research Impact Academy. I learned a lot of things along the way. I learned a lot about marketing. I learned a lot about customers. I learned about messaging. And all of those things I learned about in my business, I now instill back into how I help others. So in growing a business, I've actually very much learned how to grow researchers and academics and how to have more impact, both in a business sense and in an academic sense. So I think it's been an incredible learning journey. Bringing along other people. I've been very fortunate to have met people along the way who have come into my business. I have Kathy Witherman, who works closely with me, and I'm sure many of you who know me know Kathy. So I've been blessed with an incredible partnership with Kathy in the business. And then I have my newest staff member, Kate, who has come on and joined the team and is growing in her impact expertise and being an absolute fantastic support to me and support to the business and to our customers in impact. I have brought on my 2 staff in the Philippines, Lenore and Ivy, who you've probably communicated with across time. Without them, the business wouldn't be where it is. Let's just face it, there's so much that goes on in the background. So I've had all these incredible opportunities. I've had incredible instances of people around me. And one of the most important things I've had is incredibly loyal, incredibly smart clients who are just an absolute privilege to work with. And really for me, my job is so much fun because I'm learning about new science projects. I'm learning about what's going on in the Australian research sector every single day. And it's really exciting. It's incredible to support fantastic research organisations, and to have their support and their trust in us to help them get where they need to get to. I'm really grateful to everyone, to my clients, to my staff, to the opportunities, to the universe, whatever it's throwing at us. And look, here's to another 10 years of growing, providing, giving back, and working with you, I hope. Thanks so much.